Hi, my name is Tracy, and today I'm gonna present my design exploration final project works. So this is the table of contents. So basically, there are industry research, idea, visual reference, progress development, and final output. So for the first thing, we move to the industry research. My specialization is UI UX, and before I dive into the project topic, there are three job options that match with my skill. They are UI UX designer, graphic designer, or multimedia designer, and game design. So between these three, I choose UI UX since most of my portfolio focusing on UI UX works. And for the job requirement, which is this one is for junior, mostly they want to be like skilled in design tools like Figma and Adobe Creative Suites, along with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, strong user-centered design like user research, and then collaboration and clear design communication. Lastly is solid design background with awareness of emerging technologies like AR, VR, or AI. And then this is my current portfolio. You can access by this link. I give it in the slides. And then next we move to the idea and concept. So for proposed idea, which is a slice of home Hawaiian pizza story. It's an interactive storytelling website that lets user experience the process of making Hawaiian pizza through playful visual and user interaction. So why this project? It's inspired by Nasha Larry on Instagram to do this project. Like she combined design and coding into one output that enhance visual and experience at the same time. And then this project objective is to develop an interactive website to enhance user enjoyment and learning at the same time, increase visual storytelling through 2D illustration and short animation, and then showcase technical skills for coding in web development. This is the website contents and flow. So I prepare the contents for the website first before we move out to the visual. So in short, there are 8 scenes with interactive things like animation, choice, drag and drop. Next is the visual reference. So for the mood board, my style would be 2D hand-draw illustration with clean outline style. And for the color, later will be like flat color, focusing on 1 until 2 color. And next is the color and typography. The main color is inspired from pizza that mostly have cream, orange, and red. And then for the font, I choose Café Brass for its handwriting style that match with my illustration. Then for the progress development, so it start with the sketching some assets. It's it's done like around week 4 until week 5, and then I start to color it during week 5 until week 6. And then move on to the animation for some scenes like scene 2 and 6. It was done by around week 7. And then prototype, I move up all the assets into Figma to combine one thing website during week 8 and week 9. And then the last step, which is coding, this was done around week 10 until week 14. I import all asset in Figma and start code it in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript using Visual Studio Code. Then for the final output, this is the link, which is a slice of home Netlify app. And for the overall key features, they are interactive, original, and challenge. For interactive, it has scroll float, hover, choice, drag and drop, sound on and off, and menu bar. Now, let's try the website together by this link. So this is the landing page, and then we click this press to start button. And this is the menu bar where you can fill on here, and then you can turn on and turn off the sound. Now we scroll down, and you will see this scroll float text animation. This is like the GIF part, and it will play ons. Next is the text animation. This is the third scene where you can roll the dog, and if your cursor is outside the cardboard, it will like showing some reaction. And next is the choice where you can pick which one sauce you would like to choose. If you skip, it will show it something like this. So now let's pick tomato. And if I pick barbecue, it will like showing a different result. This is when things are sauced down. And then we move on to drag and drop things. So we first drop the cheese and then drop the ham and pineapple. After that, we will bake the pizza. So here there would be like simple animation. And then you can choose again which sauce you want to serve. So I will pick mayo and chili together. And this will be showing up what we choose earlier. And you can click this part to back to top button. And through this menu bar, it's functioning also. And then for the responsiveness, so since this website is best viewed on desktop, it will like showing the screen if you are trying to using your phone or tablet. And if you press this, there will be no button, so you cannot continue the journey. That's all for my website features. Thank you so much for listening.